Back with you, guns, silver, and knives. Friday EDC, CZ Model 83 pistol chambered in 380 ACP, which is in Europe the Browning 9mm, caliber Browning 9mm. My EDC carry pouch with a buck 112 Ranger Slim Select and a buck 662 lightweight Skinner. Clear the pistol. Nothing in it. An excellent pistol. Great EDC carry, a little heavy for some people. I like the way it shoots. It's always on target, doesn't have a lot of kick. Excellent handgun, especially with defensive ammo. The buck 112 Ranger Slim Select. And a little belt carry buck 662. I don't know if they call that a Skinner, but it is a great hunting knife and a pretty practical EDC carry knife. Fun stuff all around. And of course there's always the Swiss Army knife, the Tornox, and in this case a Spartan model. Get everything situated here again. Go buck and a carry pistol. God bless all you knife and gun nuts. Remember that Jesus Christ loves you. Have a great day.